You're detained right now for open alcohol.
Come over here.
We can arrest you for just providing alcohol in your hand. Do me a favor, just stand right here.
Are you 21? Yes, no? No? Okay. Earlier you told me you were. Is there anything in your bag that I should know of before it's taken with you?
No.
Nothing at all?
There's something in the zipper pocket. It's just
what would it be?
It's like a little green vape stick.
Okay. Is it nicotine?
No.
Or THC?
It's THC.
Okay.
September 5, 2022, Labor Day weekend at Clearwater Beach produced a compact legal study in open container enforcement, false age statements, and voluntary drug paraphernalia disclosure.
You're detained right now for open alcohol.
Come over here.
We can arrest you for just providing alcohol in your hand. Do me a favor, just stand right here.
Listen, we're trying to make this more. We're not trying to.
No, alright, y'all just can't bother us.
No, we're not bothering y'all reason. You have open all kinds of criminal citation. Okay?
Okay, well then we can leave. Like, that's not a problem.
Okay.
Y'all are starting something that shouldn't be starting.
Drop your stuff. Don't drop your stuff. Now we have a reason for you to stay, right? Have it stand there. Five, 4, 7, 10, 15 adult female.
Stop.
Just don't say anything else. We don't need to talk to him until.
Spell out your first name again. Spell out your first name.
A-R-I-A-N-N-A. A-R-I-A-N-N-A.
Are you 21? Yes, no? No? Okay. Earlier you told me you were. This is your backpack, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go with you. Es menor de edad ella, bro. Es menor de edad. You check David?
No, I haven't yet.
Watch her and I'll check David for you.
Yeah.
Which one? Esta? Have a seat. Watch your toe. I'll meet you over there.
Well, no, I was just asking if it's okay if I take the car keys. But
It's up to them.
excuse me, I'm sorry. It's my friend Jaden right here.
Where's your keys at?
In my bag. What?
No. Don't even go there, bro. Loop around.
Thank you.
That's the keys?
Yeah.
Alright. Vamos. No tiraron nada. We're gonna transport her up there. So. Have a seat, ma'am. My sergeant, you don't say anything.
Yeah, no.
Switch yours, bro. I'm gonna go talk to her. Okay, you have any questions for me, ma'am? Okay, you're gonna be going to jail for possession of alcohol under 18, okay, under 21. Is there anything in your bag that I should know of before it's taken with you?
No.
Nothing at all? Contraband or anything like that? Because once you go to jail, they find anything.
I mean, there's something in the zipper pocket. It's just
What would it be?
It's like a little green vape stick.
Okay, is it nicotine
No.
or THC?
It's THC.
Okay. She might have a THC pen now. Where would it be?
It's in the little cat purse. There's like a purple pink glove. It's not in that bag, or it might be in the...
Here?
No. It might be in the other toe bag, the one with the outside.
Okay. Excuse me, bro.
Make her feel better. Probably she's probably having a bad day or something.
What's on it?
What is your name?
Ariana.
Ariana. Not pregnant? No? I'm going to put that around the belly, and then I'm going to put the handcuff in the front, okay?
Ariana, I asked this to everybody, not just to you. You don't have nothing tucked in, hidden, or anything like that, right? So if you go to jail, anything they find will be automatic felony furniture or contraband. If there's anything on you that we can settle right now, if there's not, then alright. Okay. All your property will be going with you. Once you get booked there, the property will be shown in front of you. All your money and all that will be there as well.
I'll send all the stories. I want to...
I'll grab your shirt up.
If you brush right now,
Sure.
please, brush the sand in the leg in your area right there, okay?
Voy a poner esa camisa.
Sí, porque se te pone la camisa.
¿Cómo está? ¿Bien?
Oh, bien tranquilo.
¿Ocupado?
Para arriba, para arriba. Todita. Right there.
Is it good or no more?
Yeah. Brush. You need to brush right there.
Te voy a dar una bolsita, ¿ok? Voy a poner su billetera.
Okay. Now, you don't put your shirt on, okay? Put more sun that after that.
much work.
Is that good? A little more?
It's okay.
Good night. Did that really see you? Oh my god. So is that cool? Yeah, he's cool. Oh, he's cool.
I got everything out of your pocket.
Yeah, I think I'm good. Yeah.
Shot on this. Be like on the Instagram timeline getting arrested together. Yeah. You can TikTok this whole thing. Go viral. Be like, got arrested at Clearwater Beach for open alcohol. That's some cool cops.
La muchacha mía, ¿cómo está bien? Ya chequé
Under Berkemer v. McCarty, are you 21? Is a non-custodial investigatory question, no Miranda required. The subject's initial yes followed by no, both admissible, establishes the MIP element and documents a false statement made before arrest. Drop your stuff. Now we have a reason for you to stay sequence. At SRT 17 through 19 indicates a subject moved towards citation was announced. Florida Statute 843-3022, resisting without violence, can convert that movement into grounds for custodial arrest. THC Vape creates two charges under Florida FINSA law, Section 893-147, drug paraphernalia misdemeanor, and Section 893, third possession of cannabis. Of September 2022, recreational marijuana was not legal in Florida. A THC Vape pen satisfies both. Booking inquiry is not interrogation under Rhode Island v. Innis. The THC disclosure is voluntary and admissible. Under Illinois v. Lafayette, jail intake inventory is constitutionally authorized. The question is whether disclosure happens voluntarily or through search. The officers receive an A-. Contact arrest and pre-booking inquiry were all properly executed. Multilingual processing was professional. Deducted for the drop your stuff escalation, the trigger for arrest is not fully documented on available audio. Takeaways. First, Florida Statute 562(1) is strict liability. Age plus possession completes the offense. A false age statement does not change the charge. It adds documented awareness of wrongdoing. Even under Illinois v. Lafayette, which authorizes intake inventory without consent, voluntary disclosure before search is a cooperation factor courts consider at sentencing. The vape would have been found. Choosing to disclose it first matters. Let us know which interactions you want analyzed in the comments. Thank you for watching. Street Bodycam has more.